The moment a user decides to install your app is critical, not just for getting them up and running, but for driving long-term adoption and success. A smooth, intuitive install flow helps your app pass technical review and makes it easier for your customers to get started quickly. In this video, we'll walk through how to get the install flow right from technical setup to best practices. But first, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's start with the install URL. When a user clicks install on an app in the Klaviyo app marketplace, they're directed to the install URL that you've provided. This is where your app's installation process begins, and the goal is for a smooth and easy setup. Let's go over what the customer sees when going through the install flow. After a customer clicks install app, they'll be prompted to log into your app if they are not logged in already. Next, they're redirected to Klaviyo, where they select a Klaviyo account to connect. Finally, they're asked to authorize your app to access their Klaviyo data based on your defined scopes. Once they approve, that's it. The app is installed in just a few clicks. So how do you build this install URL? Let's walk through a few key technical components. Your install URL needs to redirect users to the Klaviyo OAuth endpoint and include these parameters: response type equals code, client ID, redirect URI, where users are sent after authorization, scope, a space-separated list, state, code challenge method equals S256, and code challenge. The last two are a part of PKCE, or proof key for code exchange, which is required for Klaviyo apps. Each install request should generate a unique code challenge and code verifier. Be sure that the scopes in the install URL match those in your app's configuration, and that your redirect URI is also listed in your app management settings. If your platform uses merchant-based URLs, your install flow should still be smooth and consistent. Here's how it should work. First, prompt the user to log in or sign up if needed. Identify the merchant during login. Then redirect to Klaviyo's OAuth authorization screen. After access is granted, redirect the user back to your app. No matter the merchant, customers should never need to manually jump across multiple sites to complete installation. Next up, let's talk about embedded apps, like those integrated within Shopify. These flows include a few unique scenarios. Scenario 1, the user already installed your app from Shopify. When they install from Klaviyo, just initiate the authorization flow. They may need to select a store, and then the install flow kicks off. No extra steps needed. Scenario 2, the user installs from Klaviyo but hasn't installed from Shopify yet. Your install URL should inform the user that they need to install from the Shopify App Store first. Then your app redirects them to install the app on the host platform like Shopify. Scenario 3, the user isn't logged into Shopify. Redirect the user to Shopify's login page. Once they've logged in, continue the install flow. In all cases, use redirects to maintain a smooth experience for your customer. A quick note on uninstalling. When a user uninstalls your app from your platform, you must revoke access and refresh tokens. Use the Revoke API to remove tokens automatically. This ensures the app is fully disconnected from both platforms. We also need to touch on a less common but still important scenario: installing through an object. Some apps start installation through an object like a graphic. In this case, the app ties itself to the account or object during creation. The goal is the same though: remove barriers to adoption and keep installation simple for your customers. Follow these best practices for a great user experience. First, your install URL should directly initiate the OAuth flow. Next, your app must be installable from both the Klaviyo side and your app side. And finally, test every possible install scenario: first-time installs, reinstalls, and every login state. A great install flow makes a great first impression. Follow these steps to deliver a smooth, professional install experience that sets your app up for success and helps you pass your app review. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.